Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you coffee and cornstarch will make you a 20 years old girl no matter your age. It removes wrinkles and fine lines and will get you rid of sagging skin naturally. It tightens the skin and will get you an amazing result, my friends, and will get you an even toned skin naturally with very simple ingredients at home. It works and it gives an amazing result, and my friends, the result will amaze you. From first use you will notice a great result in your skin. It tightening the sagging skin. If you do have sagging skin on your neck or face or hands, this will work for you 100% and will remove the wrinkles and the fine lines naturally. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you will be notified to watch it, and you will get so many useful tips from me. So make sure to subscribe my channel. The first ingredient we need to add in a clean mixing bowl, we need to add 1 teaspoon of coffee, and here I'm using the dark coffee. It gives an amazing results. It's a grounded dark coffee. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of cornstarch or corn flour and mix well the dry ingredients. Now my friends, we need to add on it around 50 ml of natural milk, raw milk like so, my friends, and mix well and place it in a microwave oven or on the stove for around 5 minutes while you're stirring very well. I'll place it in the microwave oven for around 30 seconds. Once we place it on a stove or in a microwave oven, it will become a thick paste like so. Mix the ingredients and mix the thick paste like that. Now we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of baby oil, and here I'm using Johnson baby oil. It moisturizes the skin super fast and will get you an amazing result, my friends. Then we need to add a magical ingredient, which is 2 capsules of vitamin E capsule, and here I'm using 1000 milligrams vitamin E. You can use any vitamin E available for you. We need to add 2 capsules of vitamin E, and if you don't know the benefits of vitamin E for your skin, then you need to know this is super effective in removing wrinkles and fine lines and get you a very young skin naturally. We need to add 2 capsules of vitamin E. Cut the capsule like so and add the oil. Now my friends, mix well all the ingredients until they combine and get very well mixed together. Once we end up with this cream paste, apply it on your skin and leave it on your skin for 45 minutes to 1 hour to achieve the best result ever, and then rinse it with warm water. And my friends, don't wash it with face wash or with soap, and this will amaze you. It is super effective in getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines. Keep using the remedy to achieve the best result ever.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.